Hello, hi, welcome to everyone. Welcome to Lazy Classes. And see, today I'm going to give a lecture on 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Okay, so this act is very important. Okay, from point of examination. See, this act added a new part, that is part 9 to the Constitution of India. Okay, this act added a new part, that is part 9. See, this is very important for the examination. It is entitled as Panchayats. Okay, so title of the part 9 is the Panchayats, and it consists of provisions from Article 243A to 243O. So this is also very important. See, it includes part 9 includes articles from 243A to 243O. See, this is totally related to panchayats. Clear? See, next point. In addition, the Act has also added a new 11th schedule. So this is also a very important question. So which schedule? 11th schedule. This schedule consists of, so how many functional items? 29 functional items. So this is also very important information. Okay. And next it deals with which article? Article 243G. Clear? See, next. So what actually 11th schedule consists of? It contains powers, authority and responsibility of panchayats. Clear? So this is the basic information of 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Clear? So next is, what is Panchayat Raj? So what is the definition of Panchayat Raj according to the 73rd Amendment Act? Clear? So the term Panchayat Raj in India signifies the system of a rural local self-government. So this is important term, rural local self-government. So it has been established in all the states of India by the acts of the state legislature to build democracy at grassroots level. It is entrusted with rural development. Okay, so mainly it concentrate on rural development. So it was constitutionalized through 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. See, constitutionalizer means it has become a law. Okay, so in which year? 1992. So which amendment? 73rd Amendment. See, in my last videos I told you about what are the amendments. Okay, so what are acts, what are bills? Clear? So what are acts and what are bills? Okay, so what are articles, what are schedules, clear? So please check that video. Next one is, what are the objectives of this act? What are the objectives of 73rd Amendment Act? See, the act gives constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institution. Okay, so as I told, it has been made as a law in the constitution. Okay, in other words, state governments are under constitutional obligation to adopt the new Panchayat Raj system in accordance with provisions of the act. See, obligation means it's a responsibility of the state government to implement the Panchayat Raj system in the state. Next, last one. Consequently, neither the formation of Panchayat nor the holding of election at regular intervals depend on the will of the state government anymore. Means, see, it does not depend on the state legislature. Means, law has been made in the Constitution of India regarding Panchayat Raj system. Okay, so according to that, state legislature has to act. Okay, so there is no extra power given to state legislature, okay, in order to change the system of Panchayat Raj. Clear? So according to law, the Panchayat Raj system has to work. So next, see, there are two types of provisions. Okay, so two types of provisions. One is compulsory and one is voluntary. Provisions means nothing but it's a rule, rules or law, okay, present in the act. What do you mean by compulsory provisions? Means very simple. See, compulsory means, as the name indicates, okay, so those laws are compulsory, means it has to be implemented by the state. Okay, so that is the compulsory provisions. So next one is voluntary. Voluntary provisions. See, as the name indicates, they are not mandatory. Okay, see, it depends on the decision of the state. So these provisions may be implemented or may not be. Okay, so it totally depends on state. Totally depends on the state. Okay, so the decision power is given to state in the voluntary provisions. Okay, so depending upon the factors like geographical, political, administrative and some other factors, depending on those factors, the states are going to implement the voluntary provisions. But those provisions are not mandatory, but compulsory provisions are mandatory. Okay, means compulsory, they have to implement those provisions. So next, salient features of Act. So what are the features of this Act? Clear? So first one is Grama Sabha. Grama Sabha. See, the Act provides for a Gram Sabha as the foundation of the Panchayat Raj system. It is a body consisting of persons registered in the electoral rolls of the village, comprised within the area of Panchayat at village level. Thus, it is a village assembly consisting of all registered voters in the area of Panchayat. It may exercise such powers and perform such functions at the village level as the legislature of a state determines. See, Grama Sabha means very simple. Okay. See, this is this constitute. Okay. See, voters present in the village. Okay, and it should not be less than 1,500 voters. Clear? See, if there are some group of voters present in the village, then it becomes a Grama Sabha. Okay, and it should not be, the number should not be less than 1,500. Clear? So it is a government. Okay, so that's why see here it is called as village assembly consisting of all registered voters in the area of panchayat. Okay, so it is having powers to perform functions at the village level. Gram Sabha means very simple. The registered voters who are present in the village constitute Grama Sabha, and they should not less than 1,500 voters. So next one is 3-tier system. So this one is very important. Okay, so 3-tier system means there are 3 levels. One is village level, and one is intermediate level, that is at taluk level, and one more district levels. Okay, so administration okay, of a state is divided into 3 tiers. One is village, intermediate, and district level. Okay, and see, if the state having population not exceeding 20 lakh, if the population is less than 20 lakh, and then the intermediate level will be skipped. Okay, so this level will be going to skip, means we are not going to implement the intermediate level if the population is less than 20 lakhs. Okay, so this is about 3-tier system. Next one, election of members and chairpersons. See here, election means, see how they are going to elect the members and chairpersons of panchayat. See here, panchayat means it includes all the 3 levels, that is village level, and at taluk level, and at district level. All the members of panchayat at village, intermediate, and district levels are elected directly by the people, means through election. Okay, through election. And then chairpersons means the head of the village, okay, village panchayat, and head of the taluk panchayat, and head of the district panchayat, okay, will be selected by members, nothing but indirectly. Okay, so members of each panchayat, chairpersons of panchayat at intermediate and district levels shall be elected indirectly by and from among the elected members. Chairpersons means head. Okay, so head of the intermediate means nothing but taluk level. So who is the chairperson of intermediate means? So such chairperson will be elected by members of that panchayat, and even for district also, district level also same thing. Okay. So next, however, the chairperson of panchayat at village level. So panchayat at village level shall be elected in such a manner as state legislature determines. Okay. So state is going to decide how the chairperson should be elected at village level. So this is about how the members of panchayat means at all the three levels, how the members and chairpersons means head of that panchayat, okay, is selected. Okay. And next one is reservation of seats. See, the Act provides for the reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in every panchayat. Okay, so reservation is given to scheduled caste and also scheduled tribes in all the three levels. Okay, and even for reservation is also given for to electing the chairpersons. Okay, see, this is for members. Okay, so this reservation is for members and this is for chairpersons. Chairpersons means head of the panchayats. Okay, means adhyaksha and upadhyakshas. Okay. For that seats, even reservation is given for both SC as well as ST. And one more, see here, this is for SC and ST, and here reservation is given for women. Okay, so what is the reservation? 1/3. It should not be less than 1/3. See, this is very important question. Reservation of seats for women. Okay, number of seats for women. It should not be less than 1/3. Okay, it should not be less than 1/3. See here, Act provides for reservation of not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats for women. And next, for chairpersons, even it should not be less than 1/3 of total number of offices of chairpersons in the panchayats at each level. Okay, even here also in case of chairpersons, so reservation is 1/3 for women. So this is for SC, ST. Okay, and this is for women. Clear? And then next one, duration of panchayat. So what is the duration for panchayats? Okay, see, duration will be 5 years, 5-year term. So when they are going to conduct the fresh elections, okay, in two cases, clear? So one is before the expiry of its duration of 5 years. Okay, when they are conducting means, see, if it is about to complete 5 years, okay, in that time, if the panchayat is about to complete duration of 5 years, in that time they are going to conduct the fresh election. And one more time is dissolution. Okay, so if there is any dissolution of the parties, okay, so if there is a dissolution of government at panchayat level, okay, so in such cases they should conduct election within the 6 month, okay, from date of its dissolution. Clear? So dissolution is nothing but it's a something like declining or cancel of that government. Okay, so due to some reasons. So in such cases, the election should be held within the 6 months. So there are two possibilities: when the panchayat is going to complete duration, it is about to complete duration of 5 years, and then at that time election will be held, and one more time when the government is dissolved. Okay, in that time also fresh elections has been conducted. And then disqualification. See, if the person find guilt, okay, or if the person find fraud under any law, then such person will be disqualified. So that is the meaning, under any law for time being. Okay, and here also same thing, under any law made by the state legislature. Very simple. And see, in these cases, okay, the person is not disqualified. Means if he is less than 25 years of age, then he is not going to disqualify. Okay, so in such cases they are not going to disqualify. See, if he find fraud, okay, under any law, then only he is going to disqualify for the elections. Then State Election Commission. So this is the commission which is going to conduct the elections. See, as the name indicates, it is going to conduct the elections. So what is the duty of this? Means it is going to prepare electoral rolls, okay, means list of voters, okay, and also conduct of elections. And then see, this is headed by State Election Commissioner. This election commission is headed by State Election Commissioner, and State Election Commissioner will be appointed by Governor. Okay, so this is about State Election Commission. And next, powers and function. Okay. See, equal power is given to all the panchayats. Okay, all the panchayats means Gram Panchayat, okay, and Taluk Panchayat, and also Jilla Panchayat, okay, at district level. See, same powers is given to all the three panchayats. See, that is the total meaning of this. Clear? So nothing more than that. Finances, and even here also finances means money, it is related to money. Okay. Related to money means see, authorize panchayat to levy, collect, appropriate taxes, duties, tolls and fees assigned to panchayat, taxes, duties, tolls and fees levied and collected by the state government. See here, the power is given to panchayats to collect the taxes, and even see, the amount which is collected from state government is also assigned to panchayats. So this is all about how they are collecting the taxes. So all the panchayats are going to collect the taxes. The power is given to panchayats. Clear? And next is finance commission. Okay. See, what is the duty of finance commission means? It has to review the, okay, means it has to review means it has to check the what is the financial position of panchayats. Okay, so that is the duty of finance commission. Clear? So this finance commission will be elected by governor of a state. Clear? So after every 5 years, finance commission. So what is the duty means? It is going to review the financial position of the panchayats, means what is the actual financial position of the panchayats will be predicted by this finance commission. Clear? So next is the principles that should be governed. Okay, the distribution between state and panchayats of the net proceeds of the taxes means, see, very simple. So how the taxes are collected and how it is distributed between state and panchayat. Okay, so what a determination of tax. Okay, means how much tax should be imposed on a land or on the goods. Okay, will be predicted by this finance commission. Clear? So this is going to conduct all these things. Clear? And next, see, the steps will be, means some suggestions will be given in order to improve the financial position of the panchayat. So who is going to give the suggestion means finance commission. Okay, totally the finance commission is going to look after the financial position of the panchayats. Okay, so what are the taxes, how much tax they have been collected. Okay, so how much money is remained. Okay, how much money should be invested for the programs or schemes. So everything related to finance of the panchayats will be looked after by this finance commission. Clear? So next one, state legislature may provide composition of the commission and required qualification of its members and the manner of their selection. Say even state legislature give some suggestions, okay, regarding what are the qualifications should be there who are all present in the finance commission. Okay, so how they are selected, everything will be looked after by this state legislature. Okay, and then so what is the duty of governor means the suggestions given by the finance commission, okay, will be given to governor, and this governor is going to give to state legislature. So what is the financial position of the panchayats? Okay, so such matters will be looked after by finance commission. Okay, after collecting the reports they will give to governor. So what governor will do means he will going to give the report, okay, to the state legislature. So next one is exempted states and areas. See, 73rd Amendment Act. Okay, 73rd Amendment Act 1992. See, this act does not apply to some states. Okay, so which are those states? Jammu Kashmir, okay, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. See, this is very important. Okay, so this act will not be applied for these states: Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Okay, and some other areas also means, see, area should be area should include scheduled areas and tribal areas in that states. Okay, and the hill area of Manipur and Darjeeling district of West Bengal. See, in such cases, this act will not be applied. Clear? So, these states, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram, and also the areas which are scheduled areas and tribal areas, hill area of Manipur, Darjeeling district of West Bengal. So in such cases, this law will not be going to apply. Okay. So in such areas, what they did means, see, they've implemented one more act. Okay. So in such states and areas, like exempted states and areas, they implemented one more act, that is Provisions of Panchayats Extension to the Scheduled Areas Act 1996. It is called as PESA. Okay, so it is called as PESA. Okay, in order to provide more provisions here, in order to extend the provisions. Okay, they implemented one more act, that is Provisions of Panchayats. See, this is purely for exempted states and areas. Exempted states and areas. See, exempted states and areas means very simple. Okay, means in such areas. Okay, so this act is not going to implement, which is, so 73rd Amendment Act is not going to implement in these areas. Okay, so they are going to implement PESA in these areas. And next one is continuance of existing laws and panchayats. See here, all the states, okay, should implement this act within the period of 1 year from 24th April 1993. So that is the rule. Okay. See, when they introduced the act, that is 73rd Amendment Act in 1992, okay, so they made a law that all the states has to be implement this act within the maximum period of 1 year. Okay, from 24th April 1993, from 1993. Okay, so within the 1 year, from 24th April 1993 to, okay, within 1 year they have to implement this act. Clear? And next, see, majority of states on that time, okay, they implemented this act in 1993 and also 1994. So which is that act? 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. See, in our state, Karnataka, okay, so when they have implemented means, when it is came into existence means, came into force means April 13, 1993. Okay, so that's why it is called Panchayat Raj Act 1993. Okay, so the Karnataka Panchayat Raj Act 1993. So this is very important. Okay, so very important information from the point of examination. See, next one. So next feature of the 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Okay, see, bar to interference by courts in electoral matters means, see, very simple. See, court should not interfere in election matters. Okay, so if the state is going to conduct elections, okay, for panchayats, see, they should not interfere in between in any cases, okay, of panchayat raj. Okay, so that is the meaning of bar to, means bar means avoiding. Okay, so avoiding of interference by court in electoral matters means court should not interfere in any election matters of panchayat raj at any level, maybe village level, taluk level or district level. So that is one feature. So this is the last one, 11th schedule. See, as I told in the starting, okay, so 11th schedule contains how many functional items? That is 29 functional items. So these are the 29 functional items. Okay, so just remember the 29. Okay, so this is important, and also schedule number, that is 11th schedule. Okay, so very important, 11th schedule. Okay, so which part, if they ask the part number means, see, part number is 9. Okay, so in part number 9 the panchayats has been included. So which part, if they ask which part means 9th part, if they ask which schedule means 11th schedule. Okay, see, in the last videos I told you what are all schedules, so please refer that video. Okay, you will come to know what do you mean by schedule. Okay, so 9th part and 11th schedule. Thank you. Okay, so if you want to give any suggestion, please comment or please leave a mail to my mail ID. Okay, so that is lazy classes at gmail.com.